Explore a new highway, search for a forgotten town, find a new destination. Just hit the road with the speed, but with few hill driving tips. Driving in the hills can be a real pleasure if you just take a bit of extra care. The first thing to understand is that if the average distance covered per kilometer in the plains is 35 to 40 km, in the hills it's no faster than 20 kilometers per hour because the roads continuously curve, ascend and descend. Failing to factor that it has destroyed many a hill holiday. So start early in the morning, it's better, and have a restful night prior to your trip. That includes at least of 6 hours of sleep to make sure you wake up without a trace of fatigue on your head. So plan enough time for traffic jams caused by landslides, almost a given whenever it rains in the hills. In the far reaches of Uttarakhand, the Border Roads Organization does an excellent job of keeping the roads clear in all the seasons. Even then, the entire areas get cut off when it snows and roads stay buried for weeks. Always check weather conditions along your route. Remember that vehicles going uphill always have a right of way. Don't hit the brakes hard because you risk locking them. Going downhill, stay off the brakes as much as possible and shift into a lower gear. Before retiring for the night in extremely low temperatures, especially in the high hill stations, run your engine for at least 10 minutes. Avoid using sprinklers to clean the windscreen while on the high passes. The water may freeze on your windscreen. Be especially careful while driving in the rain. Visibility can drop to a dangerously low 25 meters. Remember that after driving through water, brakes become less effective. So maintain extra distance between your car and the one ahead of you. Whereas in the winters, day driving is the best. Fog may engulf you after sunset, and if it's thick enough, fog lights become ineffectual. Sometimes you can't even see your own bonnet. Night driving should be avoidable. Most petrol pumps close down at 7 p.m. in the hills, so watch the fuel gauge. Your car horn should be in a perfect condition, especially on the hill drives, and remember to blow on it before every blind curve. There are hundreds of these in the hills. So, the whole of India is waiting for you. Just plan your trip and make sure you don't forget all the hill driving tips in your trip. So, keep moving, guys. Thanks a lot.